Good morning everyone. This is Wei from Early 7 Farm. Yesterday we had a team building. So luckily the area that we went to has a lot of fruit bearing trees. The resort's owner Nanay Letty gave us tubers of banana, lakatan, saba, and latundan. And Sir June, their neighbors, gave us another variety of saba that we can plant here at the farm. So today we're going to plant them in this garden that I built for my mother. So Robert will start digging and we will be transplanting this banana that we have gotten from Nanay Letty and Kuya June and Tita Dor. So these are the banana that we got all the way from Cavite. Okay, so we'll be planting it here. So this is the saba, large variety of saba. So we were going to plant them straight on this row.
Ay anak agad. Tama nyo.
Ugat ng ano yan, mulberry.
Yung laki.
Hmm.
Huwag masyadong malalim yan.
Hmm. Okay.
No.
O kaya mo yung paligid, Bert, i-ano mo sa kanya, ikumpul mo.
Pataas.
Oo, para yung tubig umano sa kanya, bumaba. We have planted the banana trees that we got from Cavite. So again, thank you Nanay Letty, Kuya Moises, Kuya June, and Tita Dors. So they are the one who gave us this uh, banana varieties. So what we're doing is putting a big round of pit around the banana so the water cannot uh, collect from the center. That way the banana will not be soaked with too much water. So we are the hopefully we can grow all these and produce tubers out of it so we can plant more bananas in the farm.
Station of day.
So we have two more to plant. Doing this last banana tree. So we have planted all the banana tree that we got from Cavite. So we got all the banana trees that we got from Cavite planted. Again, this will be a good addition to the farm, having a variety of lakatan, latundan, saba, and we have always been looking for it, and it's fortunate enough that the resort and the place that we had our team building at work gave us this tubers. So again, Soylas, thank you very much, Nanay Letty and Sir Moises and Sir Pete and Tita Dors. Thank you very much for the tubers. Hopefully we can grow this and plant more bananas here at the farm out of them. If this is something that you find useful that you can apply to your farm or to your homestead, please do like, comment, subscribe, and share to your family and friends. Thank you very much, and I'll see you next time.